Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for task management. ClickUp shines as a task management tool offering various functionalities to organize your workload, collaborate with your team and stay on top of your deadline. Here's a breakdown on how to leverage ClickUp for efficient task management. ClickUp uses workspace to group related project, create a workspace for specific team, department or project type. Lists are the heart of ClickUp task management. Think of them as to-do lists for specific projects or areas. There are several ways to add tasks in ClickUp. You can use the plus button within your list or just press T plus enter in your keyboard or even click the plus icon while hovering over your workspace or folder name. Give your tasks clear and concise name that reflects their purposes, assign due dates, prioritize and assignees responsibility for the tasks. Utilize the description field for additional details, instruction and attachment. Assign tasks to specific team members to ensure accountability and clear ownership. Use comments to ask questions, provide updates or collaborate with your team on tasks. Ensure team members have the appropriate permission to view, edit the tasks within the list or folder you assign to them. This is how you can use ClickUp for task management. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.